Hello guys, welcome back to a brand new video, and in today's video my dad's just going to be changing my driver's side door mirror on my car. Basically, when I was driving home from college today, it basically had fallen off. It was literally just resting there, and the reason why, or how I noticed it was basically unstuck, was because it started flapping, and obviously my left hand one wasn't wobbling at all. So, and plus as well, I saw it had like slipped down because it wasn't obviously central in like the mirror like holder, if you know what I mean, wing mirror, sorry. So basically we went down to a local Vauxhall parts store or dealership and bought a new glass for 30 odd quid, just around 30 quid, which isn't too bad. Plus I've got MOT on Saturday, so it needed to be done basically sooner rather than later, so we just literally fitted it tonight. So sorry about if the lighting's bad. So basically my dad was taking off the old plastic mirror like backing, because there's two parts to a mirror, there's the front and the back, and basically here is he's unclipping the connectors for the heated rear screen, so when you turn your screen on it demists the mirrors as well, I think. So basically once you've done that, you grab the new one and you just remember to connect them where they were originally, and you shouldn't have no problems with your mirrors like heating and that. The reason why obviously mine fell off was because the adhesive had obviously gone through the cycle many times, and then it would just basically just fell off like it has. So literally we just pushed it back on and we tested it, and it works obviously fine because we didn't touch the motor and that. So yeah, so I hope you liked the video. Please like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in Saturday's video. All my links to my socials are below, and I'll put them on screen now. So yeah, I'll see you guys on Saturday.